This is going to be a video to help us with order of operation problems. Whenever we do order of operation problems, we think of the word PEMDAS. PEMDAS reminds us of the order we do things mathematically. Here is what PEMDAS means. First, I look for parentheses and I solve for what's inside of them. After I've gotten rid of my parentheses, I look for exponents and solve for those. Multiplication and division are just like twins. I do whichever comes first from left to right. And lastly, I have addition and subtraction. They're just like multiplication and division. Again, I do whichever comes first from left to right. Let's look at my first problem. The problem is 5 times 5 plus, and then inside parentheses, I have 15 divided by 3 plus 10 to the third power. Let's go ahead and solve it. Well, I have parentheses, so I look inside my parentheses. Inside of the parentheses, I have division, addition, and exponents. Since exponents are top of the order of operation, I'll do those first. Whenever I do order of operation problems, I make a little upside down triangle or a Dorito to remind me that's what I'm going to do for that step. So if I look at this one, I'm going to put the Dorito right below 10 to the third power. Well, 10 to the third power is just going to be 1,000. Everything else on the line is going to stay the same. So I'm left with 5 times 5 plus 15 divided by 3 plus 1,000. I still haven't gotten rid of my parentheses. So the next step is I look inside the parentheses and decide what to do. I have division and addition inside the parentheses. Since division comes before addition, I'm going to do division first. So 15 divided by 3 is just going to be 5. Everything else on that line is going to stay the same. So I'm going to have 5 times 5 plus, and then inside parentheses, I'm going to have 5 plus 1,000. I still haven't gotten rid of my parentheses, so I have to solve that first before I can go outside of the parentheses. 5 plus 1,000 is going to be equal to 1,005. Just like before, everything else is going to stay the same. Now that I've gotten rid of the parentheses and I just have one number, I'm going to do the multiplication because the two operations I have left are multiplication and addition. And multiplication comes before addition. So 5 times 5 is what I'll do next. And that's going to be equal to 25. And just like before, everything stays the same. I'm down to my last step. I'm going to take 25 plus 1,005, and I'm going to get my answer, which is 1,030.